if you have a slow leak, then the best thing to do is just take some soapy water, spray it around the rim and the air valve. And if you have something like that, where that's bubbling, that's where air is escaping. So just have a look around anywhere else. These are just there from kind of spraying it on. But you can see there's no kind of bubbles forming or anything, that's just still. Wipe it on fresh, you can see straight away. So that's a quick way of figuring out if you have a leaking tyre. Do it on both sides and do the air valve as well, and then you have an idea of which part needs fixing. And that can easily be fixed just by some tyre glue, and normally a tyre shop will just take this off the bead and then add some of that tyre glue in, and that just helps seal the bead. You know, this is normally a result of some corrosion or something, so that's a bit of a sign that there could be some elsewhere, so maybe an ever so slight leak there. And again, this part, even though it's not bubbling, there's nothing really here, and there's nothing really here, so we'll do the same on the other side. Let's see if we have any issues there. You can see small collection there, nothing along here. We have some there. If I just hold the camera still. So that just looks like where that wheel weight is. So we'll get that taken off and just have one that kind of glues on. We'll have a look at the other one because I think the air valve on that one is leaking. It had 33 psi and it's down to about half that almost. So it's definitely leaking from somewhere. I'm just going to go up to 20 psi. So I'm pretty sure this is leaking. Yep, and surely enough, you can see the bubbles forming just there. So we have a bad valve. I'm just going to run the whole thing. Just see if we see anything else, but that valve is definitely, so that's let about 15 psi out in about a week. And again, we'll probably just have the whole thing just sealed. There we go, that's all sorted. So we have a new valve stem seal in there. We did both in the end. And you can just see a slight amount there. That's the kind of tyre sealant. It's kind of a bit like RTV almost. It just kind of goes on the inside lip here and just goes kind of all the way around. They actually used a wire brush just on an air tool and just kind of cleaned it off both sides, inside and out. And then when that was done, then they applied the sealant around there, did the valve stem seals, and now we're good. And yes, there is a stud missing, don't worry. It's not going anywhere yet, so we have one of those on order, so we'll place that in. And these are just to keep the wheels on there for now, just so we can get the axle moving, just in case you wondered what was going on there. That is being fixed. That's all it takes really, and hopefully that helps. Thanks for watching.